Broadcasting live from the True Crime Today studios to the world. This is Murder in the Morning with Tony Bruschi and Stacey Cole.
From the Hit Killers Podcast, Murder in the Morning.
Donna Adelson back in court. Of course, this is a trial that was supposed to take place over the summer or fall or something. And everything went to hell when her lawyer had to resign, like on the day they were picking jury members. Donna Adelson, accused of orchestrating the 2014 murder for hire of Florida State University law professor Dan Markel. She appeared back with her new defense team after the trial delayed back then by the conflict of interest issues. It has now marked her first time since September postponement hearing. Accompanied by her new attorneys, former circuit judge Jackie Fulford and Tallahassee lawyer Josh Zelman, Adelson appeared before Leon Circuit Judge Stephen Everett. Both attorneys assured the court that there were no conflicts of interest in their representation. Adelson's previous legal team had been disqualified due to conflicts involving her son, Charlie Adelson, who is serving a life sentence for organizing the murder as well. Fulford and Zelman took over the case in October, have been addressing the substantial legal hurdles that have come with the transition. Fulford drawing on her expertise as a circuit judge and an interim state attorney, expressed confidence in their ability to prepare for the trial despite limited access to discovery materials. The state's attorney's office has agreed to provide us with electronic copies of all deposition transcripts, Zelman noted. Adelson, who appeared in a purple jail jumpsuit and spoke only to her attorneys, faces charges of... Yeah.
Wait a minute. She gets to wear purple?
Yeah, I guess is what they do there in Florida.
Okay. That happens to be my favorite color. I thought you only got orange.
Well, go commit a crime there. You can get, all the purple you want. Adelson, she's facing the charges of first-degree murder, conspiracy, and solicitation. Prosecutors allege that she hired the hitmen through her son, Charlie Adelson, to kill Dan Markel during the contentious custody battle involving her grandchildren. During the hearing, Fulford proposed a trial window between June 16th and July 2nd, noting that all parties involved, including witnesses, could be available during that time. Judge Everett emphasized the importance of setting a firm trial date, citing the logistical complexities of moving prisoners and ensuring the presence of witnesses. When that trial date is set, it's going to be firm, he stated. The court has set the next case management conference for February 11th, when discovery is expected to be completed and deadlines for trial preparation are finalized. Local attorney Don Pumphrey commented on the challenges of picking up a case at this stage, linking it to painting in the blind. However, he acknowledged the strengths of the new legal team, describing Fulford as a strategist and a strong choice for the defense. It remains one of very significant interest here, Adelson being one of the 5 individuals arrested in connection with Markel's murder. Her son, Charlie Adelson, and 3 others are already serving prison sentences, leaving her as, I won't say the final defendant to face trial, but the latest defendant to face trial. Everett also addressed any potential conflicts arising from Fulford's prior judicial role presiding over Markel probate matters. Jesus, can we just get somebody who's not fucking connected to these people in some way?
I think they're connected to everybody. Doesn't it feel that way?
After reviewing the matter, he found that no issues that would interfere with her representation. Really?
It's weird.
You were an attorney for the dead guy. She presided. Okay, she was the judge.
But
okay, you presided over a case for the dead guy. And now you can be the attorney for the defense?
And how could you not see that that's going to be a conflict?
How is that not a conflict?
Right?
Well, the issues had nothing to do with the murder. Well, clearly, he was alive then, but you presided over a decision-making process that involved him. You could grasp some sort of, because we're human, things about his character that you liked or didn't like. I don't know. It could be anything. Just that there's any, oh, God. Well, I'm going to guess we're going to get another delay at some point in time here with this. Or we're, because, yeah.
Yeah, I don't think this is going to happen. It's just every time these people show up in court, there's another issue. And I'll be honest with you, I took a look at some of the video, some of the clips that news had on her. She doesn't look like she's thriving. She doesn't look good.
It's not thriving in jail, you know.
I mean, fuck, you put me in a jail cell, I'm not going to do well. But I just, it's taken a toll on her. She looks even older than she did before. And maybe she just had really good makeup.
Yeah.
And now she doesn't have access to it. And we're seeing what she really, really looks like.
Yeah.
She looks rough. Grandma looks tough here.
Yeah. I mean, that's got to be, rough on anybody to be in that sort of a situation. But if she's involved, and I'm sorry, it very much looks like she is, unless they have some very good explanations for like that check that she signed and her interactions on several things. Yeah, I think she has some involvement here, but we'll see what's allowed into evidence after discovery, and we'll see if this happens in June. I don't know.
You're neck deep in a dark, twisted tale, and just as the tension peaks, bam, a commercial about some miracle diet pill breaks the spell. It's like finding a fly in your soup after the first bite. But here's the fix. True Crime Today Premium Plus on Apple Podcasts. You get to enjoy your crime stories without the junk. Ad-free episodes, extended interviews that go beyond the surface, and early access to all the gruesome details. It's like swapping out a can of cheap beer for a glass of fine whiskey. So search for True Crime Today Premium Plus on Apple Podcasts. Subscribe and keep the darkness flowing uninterrupted.